Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make a painted lady leaf butterfly to hang in your garden. This butterfly is really special because it has just migrated all the way from North Africa to spend the summer in the UK. Let's get started. For today's activity, you'll need 2 large and 2 medium-sized leaves for your butterfly's wings, 2 of them with the leaf stem still attached. You will also need to find a small twig for the body and white, black and orange acrylic paints for their unmistakable markings. Lastly, you will need fine paintbrushes, strong glue and sewing thread. Begin by attaching your butterfly's antenna. To do this, snip the stems off the 2 leaves and stick them to the top of your twig. Next, you need to attach your butterfly's wings. First, glue the 2 larger leaves for your forewings, and then glue the smaller leaves below them as hind wings. Leave this to dry for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to paint. The painted lady butterfly has beautiful markings, with a browny orange colour covering most of the wings, except for the edges which are black with white spots. As best as you can, and using the picture on the worksheet to help you, use your acrylics to paint this pattern onto the leaf wings of your butterfly. Leave this to dry for at least an hour. Did you know that the reason why the painted lady butterfly migrates so far is so that it can find plants for its caterpillars to eat? Once the paint has all dried, cut a small length of sewing thread and hang your painted lady in the garden or in your home. Enjoy making your butterflies this week, and remember, if you live in the UK, make sure to take a look in your garden to see if any painted ladies have visited you this summer.